Number 2, refer to figure 2 to answer the following questions. Name the line that contains point B and point F. So let's first take a look at point B. This is point B here and point F. Name the line that contains point B and point F. Well, that looks like it can be this line here. Could be line EB, which is going to be here. Contains that. Also, you can just call it line M with the fancy curve because the M's right here. All right, that will be the two lines that contain those points. Next, name a point that's not contained on line M and line L. So what is in green is line M. Let's highlight line L. This in red is line L. The only point that those lines do not touch is right here, which is point D. So we can say it is point D. Name the intersection of line L and line N. Line L, which is in red, is going to intersect line N, which is in purple. This point here is point C, which is going to be their intersection. Lastly, name a point that lies on line segment AB. Line segment AB is right here, and a point that lies on that, those 2 points would be what lines on that. So we can say point A or point B will line on that line segment of AB. There's no other points there.